In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Pomodoro technique to increase your focus coming up. Hello everyone, I'm Christina B Rising and welcome to Rising to Be, the only place on the internet where I help you rise to be who you want to be, helping you rise to be productive, organized, and inspired. I upload every Thursday and Sunday. On Thursdays, I post motivational and productivity videos, and on Sunday, I post planner and organization videos to help you on your journey of rising to be who you want to be. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe so that you can become a riser. Don't act like the fake people that stop by and watch my videos but never click like. I just want you to know I see you and you're very petty. Stop being fake and click like. It's free, I promise. And click the bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Sometimes YouTube likes to hide my videos if you don't also click the bell, so make sure you do that as well. Now that you've liked and subscribed, I have to say that you are a blessing for clicking on my video. So thank you. I'm really trying to get monetized in these YouTube streets, so thank you. So let's get into this video. Anyway, today's video is going to be about using the Pomodoro technique. In order to get more done in your day, you have to first increase your focus. And a great way to do that is by using the Pomodoro technique. According to Google, the Pomodoro technique is a time management method developed by Francesco Cirillo in the late 1980s. The technique uses a timer to break down your work into intervals, traditionally 25 minutes in length, separated by short breaks. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to use this technique effectively and increase your focus. So let's get started. Now, without further ado, the first tip I have for you is pick a task. In order to truly focus to get something done, you have to be able to choose one task so that you can at least complete something. No matter what the task may be, you have to first pick one thing that you want to focus on. Something small, something big, something you've been avoiding. Just pick something. You just have to pick something that you can commit to and you will give your full undivided attention to so that you can focus. Start the clock. Set your timer or phone to 25 minutes because it's time to get something done. The clock has started, so you need to use this time to only work on the task you have chosen. This is when you need to get in the zone and stay in the zone until the time is up. Make an oath with yourself that you won't allow for anyone or anything to interrupt or distract you during this time. I promise you, you can do this. Designating your time allows for you to take more responsibility of your day. After all, it's only 25 minutes. The time will pass anyway. Thank you so much for stopping by and pressing play. I just want to share the word of the day with you, which is endurance, the fact or power of having to endure an unpleasant or difficult process or situation without giving way. Trust me, you will definitely need endurance while using the Pomodoro technique to get things done. And our monthly theme for the month of August is the month of creating your own path. If you want to stay motivated and inspired all month long, you can download my motivational wallpapers for your computer and phone down below. Now back to the video. Wait for the timer to ring. I know at first you may want to sit there and wait for the timer to ring, but you can't. When you do that, the time kind of drags on forever. You have to actually commit to getting the task done. Don't use that time to think about all the people you need to call back or what you want to cook for dinner. Use this time for what you know you need to use it for and stop procrastinating. And if you do have these so-called reminders popping up in your mind while you're trying to work, then use a separate sheet of paper and write them all down and get back to work. Celebrate what's completed. Once the timer has gone off, don't worry about what's incomplete. Instead, focus on what you did complete. Celebrate the fact that you were able to even get started. Look back on how many times you were actually supposed to get something done and you didn't even start. Don't feel bad you only did one round of the Pomodoro method. Sometimes it takes a minute for us to adjust to a new way of doing things. Just give yourself some grace and try it again. Stay up to date with everything Rising to Be by signing up to the weekly newsletter. It's filled with blogs, videos, exclusive freebies, and so much more to help you rise to be who you want to be. Create results, not plans. Don't stop rising. If you're watching on IGTV, you can sign up through my link in bio. Keep rising. Follow me on Instagram at Rising to Be for motivational content and Twitter at I am Rising to Be for inspirational tweets. Follow me on Pinterest at Rising to Be for several boards of inspiration and motivation. And join the Rising to Be Facebook group at Rising to Be. Keep rising. 5-minute break. Take your break. You deserve it. Now I know you may think that 5 minutes may not seem like a long time, but it's not supposed to be. This short break allows for you to take a mental break, but not a mental vacation where you never return to your work. You can do whatever you want to do once the work is done. You can't check off things on your to-do list by taking a bunch of breaks. Also, if your break is too long, it may be hard for you to get back into work mode and either complete the task or move on to something next. Use your break to breathe or grab a cup of coffee or tea so that you can relax a little bit. Your brain will thank you later. I hope this video was helpful to you. Let me know down below in the comments what tip you'll use to increase your focus with the Pomodoro technique. I just want to share the question of the day with you, which is, what are you willing to endure to reach your dreams? Let me know your answers down below in the comments. And don't forget to download my free monthly motivational wallpapers for your computer and phone. The monthly theme for the month of August is the month of creating your own path to keep you motivated and inspired all month long, and you can get that for free down below. Your well-deserved break. Now that you have completed your break, go into 3 more Pomodoro sessions, and once this is completed, surprise, you have officially earned a real break. And this real break will last only 20 minutes or 30 minutes if you successfully remain focused. Allow for your brain to use this time to get used to this process and reset before you go into your next round of Pomodoros, because you will need it. In every 4 Pomodoro sessions you successfully completed, you can take these well-deserved longer breaks. Now get back to work and get something done using the Pomodoro method. And I'll see you in my next video. I upload every Thursday and Sunday. On Thursdays, I post motivational and productivity videos. And on Sunday, I post planner and organization videos. Be sure to like and comment and subscribe so that more people like you can watch more videos just like this. Thank you so much for choosing to watch my video. I truly appreciate it. Remember, as we rise to be, we are becoming who we want to be. I am Christina B. Rising, and I will always be rising. So keep rising and be who you want to be. Bye.